What's up, guys? I'm Tim Bowman. I'm a real estate agent here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and today we're going to talk about the 5 reasons why real estate is a great investment and you should get into it. Reason number 1, natural appreciation. By and large, just the amount of buying a property and over time the inflation and traditional trajectory of prices and the property value of the home is naturally going to appreciate the value of the property. So with that being said, as you look at a chart and see the cost of homes going up and up and up, then you're going to realize your net worth is going up, up, and up. Reason number 2. Forced appreciation. Now this one's awesome. A lot of people have heard of flippers or buying and flipping. Let's say you buy a property, you fix it up, and you sell it for more. You force the appreciation on that property. Now keep in mind, when you're talking about a single family home, those still are evaluated by the cost or the comparables of the properties around it. So when you get into multifamily, a lot of times those are evaluated by how much money they make, which means you buy a multifamily, typically 5 or more units at a time, add value to that property, and then of course you can bring the rents up because it's a nicer property, they rent for a little bit more, and then you increase the value of the property. So that's forced appreciation, often seen in multifamily more often than not. Reason number 3, tax benefits. There are so many different ways that you could do write-offs when it comes to real estate investing. Unlike the stock market, where a lot of the times you can typically only write off the capital losses. Now, if you're not familiar with these terms, click off this video, go to Google and Google them. Don't sue me, bro. I'm not a tax accountant, but I'm just telling you, a lot of tax advantages in real estate investing. Reason number 4, buying and holding real estate typically spits off cash flow, and that could mean passive income if you invest properly for the rest of your life, or at least for as long as you have the property. So passive income is a huge reason, number 1 reason in my opinion, for the most common reason people invest in real estate. Cash flow is king. Cash is trash unless you put it to work. Cash flow is king. Reason number 5, easily insurable. I mean, if you own a home, you have to have homeowners insurance, right? If you're going to be a landlord, you probably should have homeowners insurance or property insurance, right? Now you tell me where you can get insurance on your stocks. I'll wait. Not that stocks are bad, just saying, if you're going to invest in real estate, there's a lot of advantages to it that stocks don't have. There's different ways of investing out there, but if you or someone you know are interested in getting into real estate investing, reach out to me. My name's Tim Bowman. I'm a real estate agent here in Cincinnati, Ohio. I love real estate investing and helping real estate investors buy and find, underwrite and flip, hold, whatever you want to do, properties in the investment world of real estate. And I'd love to help you or any of your loved ones get started or point you in the right direction in real estate investing. Have a great day. See ya.